In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video game in Infinite Craft. So just follow my tutorial. First you want to do is put in earth and wind to get yourself dust. Then you want to add dust to earth, which will create a planet. And then you want to combine planet with fire to create sun. And now you want to create solar, and you can do this by combining sun with fire to get solar, and then solar with planet to create a system. Okay, then you want to combine system with fire to create a computer, and then a computer with system to get software. Now once you've got your software, you want to combine software with earth, and you've got yourself a game. And now you want to add fire and wind, so you add fire in and wind, and this way you've got yourself smoke. And you want to combine smoke with water when you get fog, and then fog with planet. Let me find the planet, there it is, and you get Venus. And then if you combine you've combined Venus and the game together, you will get a video game.